Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden pallets. Wooden pallets have undergone a remarkable transformation from utilitarian shipping platforms to trendy, eco-friendly furniture and decor elements. These sturdy, versatile structures are repurposed into stunning pieces that resonate with rustic charm and environmental consciousness and creative ingenuity. Crafting furniture from wooden pallets is a testament to sustainability. Upcycling these discarded pallets not only prevents them from ending up in landfills, but also reduces the demand for newly harvested timber. This eco-conscious approach aligns perfectly with the growing global emphasis on responsible consumption and environmental conservation. One of the most appealing aspects of pallet furniture is its versatility. From humble beginnings, pallets can be transformed into an array of functional and stylish pieces for both indoors and outdoor spaces. Coffee tables, sofas, beds, shelves, and even intricate wall decorations all bear the hallmark of ingenuity and individuality when fashioned from these repurposed materials. Designing with pallets encourages creativity and customization. Their simple construction allows for easy disassembly and reconstruction, enabling endless design possibilities. Whether left raw for a rustic look or sanded and painted to match any decor scheme, wooden pallets offer a blank canvas for DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen alike. Beyond functionality, pallet furniture exudes a unique aesthetic appeal. Its weathered, textured surface brings a touch of authenticity and warmth to any space. Moreover, the imperfections and knots in the wood add character and a sense of history, making each piece distinct and charming. The charm of pallets extends beyond furniture, encompassing various decorative elements as well. Wall art crafted from dismantled pallets showcases intricate designs or inspiring quotes, elevating the ambience of any room. Hanging gardens or vertical planters made from pallets infuse greenery into urban spaces while maintaining an eco-friendly ethos. The popularity of pallet furniture is also attributed to its cost-effectiveness. Acquiring pallets is often inexpensive and even free, as they are readily available from shipping companies, warehouses, or local businesses. This affordability, coupled with satisfaction of creating something unique, appeals to budget-conscious individuals seeking both style and substance. Additionally, the durability of wooden pallets ensures longevity in furniture construction. Properly treated and maintained, pallet-made pieces can withstand the test of time, making them a sustainable investment for households and businesses alike. While wooden pallets offer numerous benefits, it is essential to consider their origin and treatment. Some pallets might have been treated with chemicals to withstand outdoor elements or pests during shipping. Thus, it is crucial to choose pallets that are safe for indoor use and, if needed, properly treated or sealed to ensure they pose no health risks. The rise of wooden pallet furniture and decor epitomizes the harmonious blend of sustainability, creativity, and functionality. Beyond being a mere trend, it symbolizes a conscious lifestyle choice and embrace of resourcefulness, individuality, and environmental responsibility. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when you upload a new video to the channel.